Hey, this is Anup and this is a quick tutorial how we can build an AI system with the help of Perplexity AI. Today we will be discussing how you can add Perplexity AI model in N8N. We will be going through how you can create a Perplexity account and how to get an API key and how to integrate that API key within the N8N, because recently N8N we have received Perplexity model as a tool. You can just add this tool from here. Just click on the add tool and you can just type Perplexity and you can have our tool. We don't need to call any HTTP request to call the Perplexity AI. Welcome, creator and tech enthusiastic. Today, I am excited to share how Perplexity can revolutionize your deep research and why integrating it with the N8N can multiply your productivity. Let's begin with why Perplexity stands for deep research. Advanced AI capabilities. That is, Perplexity use a latest conventional model to respond integrity to complex questions unlike standard AI tool. It gives you nuanced, multi-layered insight that go far beyond surface level summarize. So now we will go through how you can build a Perplexity AI model in N8N. So first you need to go to perplexity.ai and you need to just logged in with your email id, and next you need to, so you can see you have your account information on the left side or the left panel of the Perplexity AI. Now you need to click on account. Once you routed to your account details, you can see your account details over here, and next you need to go to your API group. So I have created a API group, and you need to just create your first API group, and under this you have your API billing section, and you need to add some credit in your account to create the API keys. So just go to add payment method, and then you need to just buy some credits and you need to pay some money to buy some credits. As of now the minimum amount is $3. Next go to your API keys. You can see I have created my own API keys, and you need to just click on create API and you can provide the API name whatever you want and just hit create. After that your API will be created. Now our API part is completed. Now let's go to our N8N setup so that we can use Perplexity AI as a tool in the N8N, and we will check how we can use or how we can integrate the API key in the Perplexity model. So you can see we have created a simple chat model. So I have used a Google Gemini chat model, and we have add Perplexity in terms of tool so that we can use the Perplexity for deep research. So now I will go through how you can create this type of AI workflow. So first let's go to a new workflow. So this is my new workflow. Now I will click chat trigger. You can see you have your own chat trigger in N8N. Next you need to add a AI agent. So you can see this is our AI agent. So click on AI agent, and the prompt will be user message, that is whatever we received in our chat. According to that chat our AI agent will perform based on our chat input. So now you can see there is a section to add the chat model, a memory and a tool. So first you need to add a chat model to access any AI agent within the N8N. So first I will select Google Gemini chat model, and you can select the Gemini 2.5 Flash, or you can select any of them, but for this I have selected Gemini 2.5 Flash. Now you can add your simple memory or you can or you don't, choice is yours. But for this video we will not adding any chat memory. Now it's time to add our Perplexity AI, that is Perplexity AI tool. So previously N8N did not provide any direct tool to call Perplexity, but after the update came we have now the Perplexity AI as a tool. You can just click on Perplexity and your Perplexity tool will be ready to use. That's it, we have created our AI agent. Now you need to configure your AI agent in terms of you need to add your Perplexity account to access Perplexity AI. This is a simple step. You can just click on this and you can just have your create new credential and go to your Perplexity account and click on API key and just paste the API key. Now we have received an error that could not connect with these settings, and you can see our node is already connected. So let's try once again. So I will again add a new credential. So now I will put the same API key that I copied from Perplexity account, and now I will click on save. You can see here credential successfully created. This credential has been created inside your personal space. You can see our credential is successfully created, but we are unable to connect the Perplexity via Perplexity tool. But don't worry, this is something issue with the N8N. We receive, I have checked the N8N community and there is lots of issue regarding this Perplexity account tool connecting, but don't worry, it will work. We will check now that it will work. So you can see I have used the Perplexity 2 account. We just created that account. Now it's time to check whether it is working fine or not. So I will say now I will add some prompt. So I just copy the prompt from my previous AI agent. So I will just add a system message over here, and then I will go to Perplexity model and I will just click the description. I will just copy the description and now I will paste the description. So for that you need to select set manually. Once you set manually, you will have the option to enter your description, and lastly you need to just add your prompt here or the questions whatever you asked through the chat. So now as of now I will save these things. So now we will check whether our AI agent through our Perplexity is working or not. So first I will just read hi to get a response. You can see our message model, that is the Perplexity, is not working because we did not provide any user input to the AI model. Now you can see we have the chat input, that is the user chat input. Now I will just drag these things over here and you need to just select a Sonar Deep Research or Sonar Pro, Sonar Reasoning Pro for, and this is quite expensive model. This is not like GPT or a Google Gemini. This is seriously cost. It will cost too much compared to OpenAI or our Google Gemini. But the search result is insane. You cannot compare with ChatGPT output with the Perplexity output. The output is really good. You can just check at your end whether I am right or wrong. So now I will select Sonar. That's it. Our AI agent is connected to our Perplexity AI model. Now I will ask, say, I will ask some recent AI news related stuff. So provide me recent AI news, those are in trending. So now I will hit submit. You can see our Google Gemini is sending the information to Perplexity, and now we will receive the information from Perplexity AI with deep research. You can just see we have received the information, and we have received the information from our Perplexity model. Now it will send us with structured output. Now you can see recent trending AI news in September 2005 focus on major corporate deals, advance in AI hardware, new AI models and AI integration into various sectors. Oracle and Meta are negotiating a 20 billion multi-year deal for cloud infrastructure to support AI model. Blah blah blah. You can just read the article on, and also you, you can see the output is really good compared to our OpenAI and Google Gemini. So this is a simple workflow you can build with in your N8N platform to showcase how you can use Perplexity AI in your deep research content or to research any deep content. So why we use Perplexity? So it is reliable source citation, that is every answer include clear citation from reputed source, giving your result transparency and academic credibility. Forget spending hours verifying information, Perplexity does for you. And you can see whatever I we asked, we just receive that answer. Now I will ask another question. So now I will ask, analyze how AI-driven layoffs in companies like Accenture have affected global employees trends in 2025. So let's see. Now you can see where the AI agent is send the information to the Perplexity, and within a minute, within a second, we should, yes, we receive the information that the AI driven layouts such as Accenture firing over 11,000 employee in 2025 have significantly contributed to global trend workforce reduction, especially in technology sector, reshaping employment pattern by emphasizing AI aligned skill and automated automation. So you can see this is quite good article or the good research. What I say, good research topic, and the output we have just received. So this is really good for the deep research, and so you can just create this type of workflow with the help of Perplexity, and this is fast information retrieval. That means you will get instant result, no more delays in manual search. Every time everything it's delivered quickly, making your work more efficient. And also it will just Perplexity can pull the latest contents from across the web, ensuring your report and studies are always based on the latest information. Key for fast changing topics like AI, tech, finance, each and everything. So how the Perplexity, so in this video we have discussed how you can easily integrate Perplexity AI within the N8N. Previously we used a HTTP node and we need to post a curl request so that we can get the response, but this is quite simple to use this Perplexity AI within our workflow. So with N8N you can just set up the flows where Perplexity answer trigger downstream action like summarize documents, sending information to team, or alert your industry changes all automatically. Now we are in last section of the video, but before that I want to give some more content or more clarification regarding using a Perplexity AI. So why we use Perplexity within our workflow or for deep content research? Although it's a very costly model, we are using very costly model compared to OpenAI or Gemini. So I will give you 10 reasons to use Perplexity for deep research. First, advanced AI capabilities. Perplexity uses state-of-art language model providing nuanced, context-aware answer, not just summaries. Reliable source citation. Every answer is backed by source so that research is transparent and trustworthy for deep analysis. Multimodal support. Perplexity can process just text but also image and code. Perplexity can process not just text but also image and code, allowing the rich, multifaceted insight. Fast information retrieval. It's deliver research finding almost instantly compared to any manual searching. Real-time data. Perplexity can improve the last web content, ensuring your research always uses fresh, up-to-date information. Integration friendly. The API is specified, designed to plug into your platform like N8N, or you can call this API from any other system or CRM to get the information from Perplexity via a call posting or directly via API. Workflow automation with N8N Perplexity can be triggered every event or schedule tasks, streamlining repeating research tasks. Customizable queries. Perplexity allows you to tailor prompt, adjust model parameters, and refine result to fit your research needs. Now, scalability. Ideal for batch processing, large set of questions or documents, making high volume research facility. So, as this is a quite costly model, it can do anything. And lastly, cost efficiency. Workflow saves your time because automated workflow saves time and resources, and N8N fair code open sourcing licensing means lower cost for business and creator. Thank you everyone. If you like my video, just subscribe my channel and comment and like my videos. And if you need any other information how we can create a AI agent or we can create any AI model within our N8N system, you can just comment me. I will definitely get back to you. And thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.